Hello mathematicians, welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we will be working on our computational fluency. Today, we are going to complete a Scout Them Out page. You will need your Number Corner book and a pencil. You can pause the video now to get what you need. Once you have your Number Corner book, open it up to page 81 for your Scout Them Out page. Remember, you will also need to look at page 60. This is to help you understand if you've mastered your addition facts or not quite yet. If you mastered a new fact, remember to continue to color in those facts that you master on page 60 in your Number Corner book. Addition table for fact mastery. Now let's have a look at our Scout Them Out page for today. Remember, if you have your Number Corner book, you should be working on page 81, Scout Them Out Addition J, and then putting a picture right here. Only if you do not have your Number Corner book, you should be working on page 2 in this activity. It's the same page as in your book. Remember to listen to all of the directions before you start working on this page. You'll need to look at your Quick Facts activity from before to make sure you're working on the right facts. Always click on the speakers or the quotation marks to hear your instructions. Number 1 says if you've demonstrated fluency on 2 categories of facts and leftovers, complete all the facts on this page. That means if you mastered your facts, you can complete all of the addition facts on this page without circling anything. If you're still working on some of your facts, maybe you haven't mastered some yet, then you need to work on one of our categories. I challenge you to think of an example of a count-on fact, an example of a make 10 fact, an example of a doubles fact, a doubles plus or minus 1, an add 9, an add 10, or a leftovers fact. I'm going to let you think of your own examples this week. After you've chosen your category, you've circled all those facts, solve all of the facts that you've circled. Now here's the step that some of us are missing. After you solve your circled facts, you need to go back and solve all of the facts right here. Then solve the rest of the facts if you have time. I think we all have time to practice our facts. Well, now that you know what to do, mathematicians, it's time to get to work on your Scout Them Out page. Show your teacher when you're done, and I'll see you next time for Number Corner.